Ciao, ciao. Hey, Doplo Doshle Impame Yai Vermuncie. Back with another reaction video. Shout out to all my Serbians and Servetsa. You know what I'm saying? All my brates and my sestras. That rhyme, you know what I'm saying? All the time. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all guys are having a good day. You know what I'm saying? Kako stay Danas. Good. I hope you are having a good day. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? How you doing? But we back with another Rasta reaction. This boy is dropping. Well, I say earlier in the last reaction, I said this boy's going hard right now. He just dropped another freaking video. I don't know if he got an album. This is like every song off his album, but I fucks with it. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. It's called Mama. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not sure if he's talking about Mama Dukes, your earth, the lady that created you, you know what I'm saying? Or talking about the female just in general, you know what I'm saying? Like Mamacita. But we about to find out, you know, gang with the gang. Let's get it. Let's get it, Serbia. Yeah. Balkan. Oh yeah, shout out to the Balkan gang. Oh, I like this location. Got a little medieval look to it.
Ona mala mlađa, pobegli od kuće, bilo im je dosta svađa. Hteli svoj svet, da dele baš sve, na njihovu su ljubav gledali svi kao grehnjeni.
Hey, okay. Beat didn't even drop yet, but you know what I'm saying? Let's see what kind of tempo we got. By now, we should be at the tempo, the part of the beat where the beat picks up.
Jedva su se snašli, mogli su da idu preko, ali tamo nisu našli. Došao je dan, saznali su da je trudna, njima je ta san, znači baš prava ljubav, obećao je da će biti tu uvek.
Yeah, okay, so he is talking about, so did he lose his mom, or did he just make the song? I mean, I don't think he lost his mom, like now. I mean, did he like Ben lose his mom, or whatever? And if he did, my condolences, like I said, but I don't know if he just made the song just, you know, but I like it. He in a old looking church. Let me know what church that is that he's in. Is it still operational, or is it abandoned? I mean, it looks abandoned. It looks like they don't really want too many people in there, but it could be used for service, so I don't know. But I like this concept. It's very has a dog color to it, like very gray. So yeah, he definitely talking. It has to have something to do with a loss.
U zemlji kriminala često nestabilno stanje, on je teo puno love i da toliko toga ima, znači mnogo kokaina, a mnogo kokaina znači to da nisi miran, tek je sedmi.
I'm confused. So now you talking about cocaine. And you talking about you start sniffing cocaine after you lost your mom? I'm not sure what's going on, but the beat's super slow too. It has that reggae sound still, but it's very slow, much slower tempo than usual.
Zao je na kuću, podigla je na čeku, Čukevu kako plače kada joj je rekao Halo mama, mama,
Hey.
I halo mama, mama.
Okay, it might not have nothing to do with a death. Maybe it's just like I ain't been living right. One of those songs, you know what I'm saying? And then it still probably has something to do with her not being alive, but like he at the church saying all the wrongs he's been doing, you know, he's been wrong, but just the life he chose to that nature. Y'all let me know in the comment section. That's really nice. That was different. I see that he's bringing all different types of topics now. I don't think he ever just focuses on like party songs anyway, but majority of his songs is party, and I like it. You know what I'm saying? This was different, and I like it. You know what I'm saying? Especially the topic. Y'all let me know and explain to me exactly if I was even right. You know what I'm saying? What the song is about. Translate for me if you don't mind. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to all my people in Sylvester. I'm gonna rate the song a 9. It was really good. Beat was slower than usual. You know what I'm saying? Um, and I don't like sad songs. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I don't think it was a sad song. It could have been a sad song, like I was saying in the video, or he's basically lost his mom already and basically just in the church, like, I mean, reminiscing and telling her that, you know, he's still living his life, trying to live right, do right, you know what I'm saying? But of course, he still do what he does, or with, you know, apology, one of those things, you know what I'm saying? But smash that like button if you enjoy my commentary and my reaction. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload from your boy Jay Munchie. Now ganging with the gang. Shout out to my boy Rasta and the whole Bakatan gang. You know what I'm saying? And I see y'all guys in the next reaction video, you know what I'm saying? Havala Von Volante Cerveza and the Virginia. Hey, I be rhyming all the time, don't I?